Make me feel like this. We got a party for a lifetime. No way to stop before the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. But for a second, have you feel like this? Make me feel like this.
Hey beauty babes, what is up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I am finally back. I know I posted a Cabo vlog and I said I was gonna try to be back and I didn't ever post after that, but I'm posting now, so appreciate it. I'm just really trying to sort out everything with college and, you know, deciding if I want to do YouTube in college, because I don't really know what I'm gonna do. I don't know if I'm gonna want to do YouTube in college. It's gonna be a lot. I'm gonna be moving to Los Angeles, so, but for the time being, I'm gonna do makeup looks because they're fun and cool. So yeah, today's makeup looks super good. I love the marble and I love the flowers. I think that they're absolutely beautiful and I'm so proud of them. If you guys would like to achieve this look, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, the first thing I'm doing is pulling out my Hoola bronzer, and yes, even after taking like a 3-month break, I still have the mini. I've not done or really worn makeup in a fat minute, so this could go really well or really badly. No. Ooh. I almost just dropped my computer. That would not have ended well. You guys know what's next. Okay, and I think now what we're gonna do is we're gonna be pulling out my Maddie Ziegler Imagination palette. I kind of have an idea for what I want to do for this makeup look. I was thinking doing like cherry blossom flowers and then maybe like a marble double cut crease. But okay, the first color I think I'm gonna go into is, I'm gonna go with Maddie Girl. First I'm gonna be going into the color Maddie Girl. I'm just gonna be putting that on my crease. Next, I'm going into the color Godmom, and I'm just gonna be putting that on my eyelid, and I'm gonna be putting it on like my crease line. Kind of gonna be doing like a kind of a smoky eye type thing. Next, I'm gonna be going into the color Angel and just putting that on my brow bone. I feel like that is gonna be the vibe. So much pink, just everywhere. Mean Girls would be proud. I don't know if I just elbowed my makeup palette. Well, if I did, I apologize. Okay, and I think now I'm gonna start to do the marbled look. This is gonna be so entertaining to watch me attempt to explain what I'm doing, because I have no clue what I'm doing. It'll be great. This is a great first video back, honestly, fantastic. What I am thinking of doing is making like a very thick double cut crease line, and that's gonna be like white marble. I think that'll be cute. I like the vibe of that. And then there's gonna be a little line right here going up to that, and it's gonna be some cherry blossom flowers, I think. Is I'm gonna be going into my NYX Epic Wear Waterproof Eyeliner, and this is in the color White, and I'm gonna be drawing just the top part of a double cut crease. So if you are confused, just watch me do it, and hopefully that'll help you understand. I'm gonna zoom in. I miss doing that. Okay, so this is the first line, and then I'm just gonna kind of make it thicker. Here's what we're doing next. Okay, so now I'm gonna be taking out my English NYX Professionals, that is the point eyeliner in the color Hella Fine, and I'm gonna be outlining this whole white thing we just created. We are going to be going into all the marble effect parts. So I'm going to be taking out a very tiny brush. If my camera will focus, come on girl, you could do it. You're a trooper, you're a queen. She likes when I compliment her. Anyway, this nice angled brush. I think this will be perfect. That is not what I typed at all, and you know it. I hate autocorrect with all my life. So now I'm going into the color Pantera, and then I am just going to be really lightly like dabbing it in, just moving, doing like kind of any shape I want. Just really get creative with this. Honestly, that's the best I can tell you. But this is gonna kind of create like the really watered down part of the marble. And then now we are going back into our that's the point eyeliner, and I'm just gonna be outlining the top part of this, or wherever I feel like the shadow is like most packed on, because again, that's what's gonna be like defining it as a marble eye. And then I'm gonna be going back into my brush and just kind of trying to blend the eyeliner and the eyeshadow together a little bit more to look a little bit more marbled and airbrush like. Now I'm just gonna be taking out this fun cute little nail brush. I love this thing so much. I've never touched it to my nails or any nail polish remover or anything like that. I just specifically use this for makeup, and I'm gonna be taking out my e.l.f. liquid eyeshadow, and this is in the color Bling Bling, if you guys actually could see me because my head is cut off. And I'm just gonna be putting this on top of the black eyeliner, just a little bit on top of it, not on it, just to kind of give it a little marble sparkle. So we're gonna see how this turns out. I'm really excited so far though. Next, I'm gonna start getting into the little like cherry blossom flowers. I have a picture on my phone. I don't know why. I don't know why. I really don't. But I just love the aesthetic of like cherry blossom flowers. I mean, unless they're not actually called cherry blossom flowers. We'll see. Wait. Now I'm second guessing myself. I feel like they're actually not called like cherry blossom. Oh no, they are. I'm correct. Okay, yay. I was second guessing myself. I love the idea of those with marble. I just think it's so beautiful and such like a gorgeous combination, and I really wanted to do it. These are what they look like. Perfect, yeah. And I'm gonna put one like right here and then one right here. I think that will be really cute. I'm gonna be calling out 3 eyeliners, and these are all NYX Vivid Brights Eyeliners, and there's one in the color Vivid Petal, which is the pink one, and then there's a Vivid Fire, which is anyway, Vivid Fire, which is the red one, and then there's a Vivid Halo, which is the yellow. And you're probably thinking, Allison, why do we need yellow? And the reason why is because there's like little dots inside the flowers that are yellow, so we're using yellow. And we're just gonna work. So I'm gonna start with it like right here in the corner of my eye. I think that'll be good. And I'm just gonna create like petals, 5 petals surrounding it with my Vivid Petal color. So I only was able to do 3 petals just because it's in the inner corner of my eye, but I still think that looks really good. And then we can do a smaller one with 5 petals right up here. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take back out my, that's the point eyeliner, and I'm gonna outline the petals just to give it more detail. Now what I'm doing is I'm just gonna be going into my Vivid Fire eyeliner, and I'm gonna be putting this in the center and kind of like slowly like ombreing it to the flower itself. Into my Vivid Halo, and just putting little dots in the center on top of the fire, just to obviously show that it's a cherry blossom. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Okay guys, I am back, and I just finished the other flower. Unfortunately, my camera cut out, so I don't know how much of it got, but I mean, I already showed you how to do the first one, so I feel like it should be easy. Next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be taking back out my NYX Professionals, that's the point eyeliner, and I'm gonna be creating the line here to make it a full double cut crease. I feel like just that line going through will look really good. I'm gonna do dots. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Doing is I'm taking out another nail tool I use. This is just a little dotter. It's really nice and simple and easy to use for makeup looks. Again, this nail brush has never touched nail polish or nail polish remover. I feel like I should state that I'm not stupid. Well, I'm not that stupid. And I think I'm gonna make the dots just different sizes. I feel like that would be really cool. Okay, I feel like that looks so good. I love it. Now what I'm doing again is going back into my NYX Professional Lens Point eyeliner, because I pulled it out like 600 times, and I'm just gonna be doing regular eyeliner. And now it is time for under eyes. Now I'm just gonna be taking out my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil, and this is in the color Black Bean, and putting this on my waterline. And then now I'm just going back into my Maddie Imagination palette, and I'm going to be going into the color Maddie Girl and putting it all the way underneath my eye. Going back into the color Pantera, and I'm going to be putting that in the outer corner of my under eye too, just to give it a little something. Okay, and then now I'm going back into my e.l.f. liquid eyeshadow in the color Bling Bling and putting this in the inner corner of my eye. I will be right back. I'm just gonna go and do the other eye off camera, but I'm so happy with how it turned out. I think it looks so freaking cool and I'm so excited. Okay guys, oh my gosh. So I finished the other eye and I actually had a little fun detour. I realized I didn't have any lash glue, so I had to drive to CVS and get lash glue, which was real fun for me. But it's okay, we got the lash glue, we're good. My eyelashes, false eyelashes are on now, so we can continue. I'm gonna be pulling out my Maddie Morphe Cheek and Loose, what? Oh my god, Cheek and Lip Mousse. And this is in the color Pinky Square. Pinky Swear. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be this kind of day. I just think it's really nice and really fun to use, especially for like whenever you want to do like a natural look. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to be pulling out my Becca Highlighter, and this is in the color Pearl. I don't know where my highlighter brush is. Well, we're going to use this brush then, I guess, because I don't really know what other brush to use. This is not at all what this is used for. This is like a blush brush, but gotta make it work. So for mascara, oh my god, I really am back, guys. I really am back. I'm pulling out my Essence Lash Princess Sculpted Volume Mascara. I literally love this mascara so much. It's my favorite. That and the Better Than Sex mascara, but I haven't gotten any more of that just because I'm broke and I haven't felt like the need to. Done, we're gonna be moving on to lips, and I'm pulling back out the Lip and Cheek Mousse in the Maddie Morphe collection, and again in the color Pinky Swear, and I'm gonna be putting this on my lips. And then now I'm going into my Fenty lip gloss, and this is in the color Fussy. Okay, Beauty Babes, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any video requests or review requests or extreme makeup requests or anything like that. I'm not sure who's hardest, oh my gosh, hardest to do them. If you'd like to follow me on my social media, located in the end card and also be linked down below along with my last video. And also the subscribe button, which you should definitely subscribe to my channel because I post really fun content like these really cool, fun, and I guess, I don't know, fresh makeup looks. I'm really proud of this one today. I think it looks so cool. So yeah, if you like this stuff, then feel free to subscribe to me. Yeah. Yeah, I honestly think that is all I have to say. So bye bye, Beauty Babes, love you.